In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly from a Trello board. If you're a Trello user looking to streamline your communication process without leaving your favorite productivity tool, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a simple method to set up email notifications using Trello's automation features, ensuring that your workflow remains seamless and efficient. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Once you're on the main page, click on the login button. If you've set up your Trello account through Google, click on the Google option and select the account you wish to use. This quick, streamlined login process will grant you access to your boards. With access ensured, navigate to your Trello board where you want to enable email functionality. Use the link to head directly to the specific board you'll be working with. Here, it's time to harness the power of Trello's automation. Look for the automation menu on the board and click on it. This will open up a host of powerful capabilities designed to enhance your productivity. In the automation settings, click on the buttons section. This is where you'll create new button actions that initiate processes with just a click. Next, locate the create button option and click it. Think of a clear descriptive name for your button, as this will help you identify its function quickly in the future. Next, you'll click add action. This action will allow you to define what the button does. When prompted, click on content to specify the type of action you want to take. Now it's time to set up your email functionality. Under send an email notification, type in the email address of the recipient. This is crucial as it directs where your notifications will reach. Following this, enter a subject for your email. A clear and concise subject line will help your recipient quickly understand the context or urgency of the message you're sending. Craft a well-written message that conveys all necessary information succinctly. Once your message looks good, click on the plus icon. This step ensures that your email action is being added into the button sequence correctly. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on Save. Saving locks in all your configurations, ensuring that your new email sending function is ready to use. Whenever you need to send an email directly from your Trello board, simply click the new button you've created. And there you have it. A straightforward, quick setup that helps you send emails seamlessly from Trello. By integrating communication directly into your workflow, you can save time and stay organized. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.